All right, folks, Monday morning, August the 9th, creeping up on the end of summer. Weekend's over. We're back at it. New day, new week. Let's go get some. There's a lot going on. Let's try to move through this really quick. Economic data front, two big numbers due out this week. Inflation numbers, we've got CPI on Wednesday, PPI on Thursday. Be ready for those numbers. Had a big, strong jobs report on Friday. 900,000 plus jobs created versus the 845,000 they were expecting. That's a big beat. What did we see on the back of that? Saw the markets move higher. Stock market rallied. Dollar rallied, now at a 4-month high. Interest rates rallied, up at 1.3% in the 10-year. Seeing a lot of strength on the back of that number. We'll see if we can continue that this week. What else do we have this week? We have a lot of Fed governors speaking throughout the course of the week. Again, big focus on, with the strength in the economy, are they going to raise rates sooner rather than later? Continue to focus on that. Nadex, we have a big education day tomorrow. How to day trade the stock market using Nadex products. Again, that takes place tomorrow. It's free, it's virtual. Go to nadex.com. Get signed up. We've still got room. If you can't make it live, we'll have the archive version up on our website after the event. But let's get in there. Let's make ourselves a better trader. Let's get ready for a new week. Summer's almost over. Let's go get some. I'll talk to you tomorrow.